Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
PN, walla PN! No, don't press this, don't press it!
Don't touch it!
No! You have to put pressure on the moon!
101 Redmond Avenue, 101.
Pressure on the moon. Jesus Christ! You're calling the police?
We're a nurse.
Yes, I got you.
You're calling the police? I look a bit of pulse today.
He's still here.
I look a pulse today, call the ambulance.
Call him.
Don't put no... Listen.
I mean, watch it. Be quiet. Yes.
Oh, my breed, walla PN, walla PN, walla PN! Walla PN! Walla PN!
Just put pressure.
Please!
Just put
PN, walla PN! No, don't press this, don't press it!
101 Redmond Avenue, don't touch it!
No!
You have to put pressure on the moon.
101 Redmond Avenue, 101.
Pressure on the moon.
Jesus Christ! You're calling the police?
We're a nurse.
Yes, I got you.
You're calling the police? I look a bit of pulse today.
He's still here.
I look a pulse today, call the ambulance.
Call him.
Don't put no...
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know the thing, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So, my people, based on the fact we were here mostly audio, because you now go see certain things in that video clip there, my people. You understand, because of the guidelines and the protocols, so me have to follow on YouTube, my people. I can't show you the raw part of the video, my people. But on a real level now, my viewers and subscribers, and based on information I'm receiving, my people, it is said that the man in the video, people, basically, you understand, is a man and the grown people. You get what me I say? And him never make it. You understand? They were trying doing their thing, people, you know what I mean? See if them can stop whatever bullet him get people from bleeding out and them something the people. But sadly, it never worked, my people. But information reaching to NEWLINK about the deceased people, and it is said that is a man, you understand, who used to be a top man in a central Kingston, my viewers and subscribers, seen from Wildman Street, and them same goes by the name of Little Danny. So, based on more information on me I receive, people, is that this man now look at Danny, people, you understand, because of the violence and thing where stir up in a central Kingston, people, where it is alleged that him is a big part of people. He managed to come some boom and make him way out of place, my people, and cut go overseas. But little Danny know, my people, that yo, boy, he could have run go Mars or Jupiter, people. The man them are come some boom, people, and them are go find him. And this is what happened, my viewers and subscribers. So, based on information, people, I receive, it is said that overseas, my people, in the USA, the man them slap him out, people, at one party. Zine? So while look at Danny did, the people are celebrating a drink and a pop champagne and a pop NSC and more with my viewers and subscribers, man the one side in the party a preem because yo, man want him head long time people. But you know the thing of people, he managed to cut and move out of the place in a Jamaica, the overseas, and you know what I mean, I do him things same way and I hype it up and I go on with them party thing and thing, people. But boy, that's why me always tell the youth them, you know, and tell the them, so look at the man, you know have to know the road when I choose youth, because when you choose a road, you don't want to drop the thing, you don't want to cut from the thing, but look how you did know, say yo, you can't make that move there, you can't make that cut there, because the things want to stir up and things want to cause. And a whole heap of man, you know what I mean, head good to get clap out, head good to get slap out, chop out, where they must say, yo, you know, say you and such man respond to that. So forever, man I got did a pray, man ever did I go and retaliate on them thing there. But my viewers and my subscribers, me I tell us say, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. The man they on the ground, people, them a try. You know what I mean? People are ball, people are scream out. You know what I mean? Them a hold it, them a tap it. Some a say call the ambulance. Some a say this, no do that, people. But boy, me I tell the people, them could save him. Zin, him gone, my people. But yo, only Jah sees and he knows. Youths, make a change, make a difference. Youths, you know see what go on? The man them slap out, look at Danny in a man. Clap him with people. Why? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, my people. more love, more respect, or more blessings. And you don't know the thing of people. Boy, Jamaica set away, my people. It set away. See it? No joke about it. It set away and only Jah sees and he knows, my people. Big up on yourself. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe. Attack.